In this video, we'll compare two popular payment platforms, Melio and Bill.com. We'll cover their features, pricing, ease of use, and key differences to help you decide which one fits your business needs best. Whether you're looking for flexible payment options, faster invoicing, or affordable pricing, we'll break it all down step by step. Before we dive in, just a quick note, some links in the description are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's jump into the details. Why I chose Melio. When I first started looking for a payment platform, I needed something easy to set up, affordable, and flexible enough to handle both domestic and international payments. That's when I came across Melio. What really caught my attention was its simplicity and the ability to pay vendors by credit card, even those who don't accept cards, allowing me to maximize cash flow. Now, on the other hand, Bill.com also stood out with its robust features, especially for larger businesses with more complex needs. However, as a small business owner, I wanted something straightforward, and Melio checked most of the boxes without the higher costs or steep learning curve. Ease of setup and use. One thing I immediately appreciated about Melio was its quick and hassle-free setup. Within just 10 minutes, I had my account ready, vendor details uploaded, and payments scheduled. It also integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks and Xero, which made syncing transactions and tracking expenses much easier. Bill.com is also user-friendly, but requires more steps during setup due to its advanced features. It's great for businesses managing high volumes of invoices, like big accounting firms or large corporates. But if you're a freelancer or small to medium-sized business with simpler needs, Melio offers a smoother experience. Demonstration of Melio's features. So let me walk you through how Melio works. Add vendor or bill details. You can manually input vendor details, upload a bill, take a photo, integrate with QuickBooks, or even sync your Gmail to pull information automatically. Choose payment method. Select whether you want to pay via bank transfer or credit card, even where cards aren't accepted. Payments can be scheduled in advance, helping you stay organized. Select payment speed. Depending on urgency, you can choose from options like standard ACH transfers, free, same-day ACH, or instant transfers. Vendor receives payments. Your vendor can get paid via check or bank transfer without needing to sign up for Melio. This eliminates friction and speeds up the process. This streamlined process made it incredibly easy to manage payments without wasting time or effort. Payment flexibility and cash flow management. Melio's standout feature is the ability to pay with a credit card even if your vendor doesn't accept cards, by charging a 2.9% fee. This feature helped me defer payments, take advantage of credit card rewards, and avoid late fees, something Bill.com doesn't emphasize as much. Melio also offers multiple same-day payment options, including credit card payments, ACH transfers, and instant transfers. This flexibility means you can meet deadlines quickly without worrying about cash flow gaps. Bill.com provides similar payment options, but it's geared more towards businesses that process high volumes of payments and invoices. While it's feature-rich, I found Melio's approach more accessible for businesses managing fewer transactions. Security and mobile access. Melio takes security seriously, with encrypted data and fraud prevention features that gave me peace of mind. It also has a mobile app for iOS and Android, allowing me to manage payments on the go. Whether I'm traveling or out of the office, I can approve payments and track transactions right from my phone. Bill.com offers excellent security too, with mobile apps available for both iOS and Android. It also supports additional features like scanning receipts and managing invoices. When it comes to mobile access, both platforms are evenly matched, offering flexibility and convenience for managing payments from your phone. Melio makes it easy to pay international vendors in USD or foreign currencies through bank transfers or credit cards at competitive exchange rates. And the best part, your vendors don't need to create a Melio account to get paid, saving time and reducing friction. Bill.com also supports international payments in multiple currencies, but the process is slightly more complex and may not be as cost effective for smaller businesses. Faster ways to get paid. Melio doesn't just help you make payments, it also speeds up how you get paid. You can send custom payment links to customers, allowing them to pay directly into your bank accounts. This added flexibility helps improve cash flow without creating extra steps for your clients. Bill.com supports recurring invoices and advanced tracking tools, which are great for businesses managing lots of clients. However, Melio's simplicity and ease of use made it a better fit for my needs. Pricing comparison. The cost was a big deciding factor for me, and Melio stood out with its free plan, which includes up to 5 ACH transfers per month. Bill.com, on the other hand, charges $45 to $79 per user per month, depending on whether you need accounts payable, receivable, or both. In addition, when it comes to value for money, Melio offers an affordable paid plan called Melio Core, priced at just $25 per month or $21.25 with their current special promotion. This plan includes unlimited two-way synchronization with QuickBooks Online and Xero, ensuring seamless integration with your accounting software. Now, on the other hand, Bill's Essential plan, priced at $45 per month, allows manual integration with accounting software through CSV imports, which may add extra steps and time to your workflow. Now, while both platforms charge 2.9% for credit card payments, Melio's free tier and affordable add-ons make it much more accessible for small businesses and freelancers. Limitations and considerations. Of course, no platform is perfect. Melio's main limitation is that it doesn't process payments to individuals, only businesses. Bill.com, meanwhile, has more advanced features like audit trails, customizable roles, and automatic bill coding. But these come at a higher cost and steeper learning curve. If your business requires detailed workflows, Bill.com might be worth considering. Final thoughts. So, which platform is the best fit for your business? Well, here's my take. Choose Melio if you're a freelancer, startup, or small and medium-sized business looking for simplicity, affordability, and flexibility. It's easy to set up, works great for managing cash flow, and fairly priced. You can start with a free trial for the Core or Boost plans and then change your plan based on your needs. Now, go with Bill.com if you need advanced features like multi-currency payments, invoice tracking, and automation for a more complex operation. It's ideal for large-sized companies and corporations. Personally, Melio was the clear winner for my needs. It gave me the tools to manage payments efficiently without adding unnecessary complexity. Start using Melio today to simplify your payments and gain more financial control. Click the link in the description to sign up and see how Melio can transform the way you handle business payments. Thank you so much for watching.